Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my portal now that I've started now. I want to show you reality as small portal that I've started from now. I'm Edit Bokeh. Please consider subscribing my channel. Help me guys. Please, if you have something sent to somebody, then I'll see you. See, I'm still working here. I want to show you the reality where I want to tell you how that thing is killed. Yeah, I want to tell you how hence hence has is good to have them in in the compound. Yeah, guys, it's bad to show you then I move, but he'll allow me. That is how they are. Guys, today I want to talk about health, about my portal that I have started around 6 months ago. Yeah, 6 months ago. Already started. It's good, guys. It's good to have that in the compound. Simply because of if somebody came, don't have some decision to. Then you're seeing here in a place called, it's a good place. Started walking. Now the sun is there. Can't able to see me with any turn this way. Yeah, turn this way. Yeah. Guys, I'm so happy. My channel is growing. I'm so happy, and I hope you'll be enjoying my videos. Looking the videos, you'll be enjoying as much as possible. Yeah, you see that my portal I have started is eating more food. Yeah, it's eating more food. Eating is they need water, they need food, they need some food to add to make them what? Make them to lay eggs. They need many things, guys. Hell, they need many things as possible. They need many things, yeah. You see, that thing, I realize is good because they gave me they gave me eggs, gave me meat. You see, that's why I'm trying to figure out it, trying to give the view of that area. Make sure that that house is clean every day. Make sure that house is clean every day, and you have water. Yeah, make sure they have water. Make sure they have anything to eat. Yeah, they have greens. They need greens, food, water, and what? And they need many things, guys. I'll go and show you that foods so that able to, if you want to encourage to take them, you take them as possible. Do you see? And please support me, support my channel, guys. I have many people that I want to go and make them with crabbles here. You see, crabbles, many things. You see, guys, you'll make me so happy. You'll make me enjoying. You'll make me doing that thing. You see, to make me to have many fans as possible. I have many fans as I told you. Yes, today is on Wednesday. Yeah, it's on Wednesday. I don't move. I don't go anywhere. That's more stressful. That's more stressful. See, that's why I'm trying to pass here. And now sun is affecting my name. Yeah. This place is good. This place is good. This place is handsome. You see? You see? Let me take you there. Forget about that place. Take you guys. you're seeing, as you're watching me. Yeah, it's good to watch me, it's good to comment, put a comment, and good to have something to tell people about me. It's good to tell somebody like, you have done this and this. Yeah, I'll enjoy, guys. I'll be enjoying every day as much as possible. Please take my video as you are taking other videos. Enjoy supporting me. One day I'll support you. Support many people as possible. I'll support and some small YouTubers to be like me, guys. Yeah, if I'll grow, I'll make sure everybody's growing. If I'll grow, I'll make sure, yeah, I'm growing. And I'm taking some people like my brothers. Yeah, some of the people like my brothers, e.g. like Philo the Boy, Zack Discovery, and many people that I have never seen. I'll take you as my brothers. Yeah, as my brothers. Please, please, please. Yeah, I don't want corner. Yeah, I need forward people. Things to be forward. Things to be thinking visual. Yeah, guys, let us go this way. Hence, they need some minerals. Yeah, hence they need some minerals so that to be helped, to be like to be helped, to be strong. Yeah, I think is that to be strong, healthy. Guys, please let us say thank you for those who are watching me. Thank you very much, and God bless you. God bless you. Bye bye. Enjoy my